Привет, 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 and welcome to my channel, RussianMatreshka. And today I will introduce you a new letter of the Russian alphabet and not 10, 5 most frequently used words that start with that letter. Are you ready? Поехали! Yes, today I will teach you everything you need to know about I Kratka. I Kratka is the new letter to the Russian alphabet. Believe it or not, this letter was officially included in the Russian alphabet in the 20th century. Yes, that's right. In writing, it appeared in the 17th century. And then Peter the Great, with his language reform, wanted to eliminate that letter completely. And it disappeared for a few years. And then it got reintegrated into Russian language. People fought for the rights of that letter, and it got introduced into the Russian alphabet, as well as the letter Yo, also a newcomer to the Russian alphabet. So letter I Kratka got introduced to the Russian alphabet. It was placed right next to a proud letter I, and now we have this updated Russian alphabet. So what is this letter? This letter is based on a letter I, and we just studied that letter last lesson. If you didn't, please go and check it out. Why it's called I Kratka, which means I short? Well, we took the symbol that is called brev, and in Latin it translates as short, brief. The symbol brev that looks like a little burp, like a check mark, you just put it on top, and letter I transforms into letter I Kratka.
Но это еще не все. Легким движением руки брюки превращаются в брюки в элегантные шорты. Простите, маленькая техническая неувязка.
So usually I base these lessons on this book that I found that ranked all Russian words by frequency count. And unfortunately, as with letter Yo, letter I Kratka did not make it. I don't know which year this word count was done, but today we'll introduce you some words and you will be wondering why those didn't make into the frequency count, because some of those words are very popular today. Okay, and let's start with our 5 interesting words that start with the letter I Kratka, that sounds like Y. And the first word for today's lesson, you're very familiar with this word in English, yoga. Y just transforms into Y, yoga. Second word for today's lesson is doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I forgot. Second word for today's lesson is yogurt. Yogurt. Again, Y becomes Y, yogurt. Third word, yod. Yod. This is a little bit different. Here I became Y. Iodine, yod. Iota, 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 iota. And York. Just like in New York, you see, Y becomes Y, York. So in England, we have just the town York. In the United States, New York, New York. So these are the 5 words that are good to know when you want to translate New York into Russian. You know York, yoga, of course, very important to know, and yod, yeah. Let's repeat real quick one more time. Yoga, yogurt, yod, Iota, York. And a little poem for you to remember this letter. I will read this poem in Russian and I will put translations in here. And I would translate it right away so you understand what I'm talking about. Букву «Й» зовут и кратким. «Й» как «И» в твоей тетрадке. Чтобы «Й» не путать с «И», сверху галочку пиши. And as a bonus, I want to teach you a few bird names because letter Y is prevalent for some reason in a lot of bird names. Those bird names don't start with the letter Y, but it's either at the end or in the middle. The first word and the most kind of common one is воробей. Воробей. Second bird, соловей. Соловей. Third bird, попугай. Попугай. And the last one, чайка. Чайка. All right. Well, thank you so much for your attention. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your feedback and all the comments that you leave me. I read them and I take them to heart and try to incorporate your requests in my following videos. So please, as usual, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Пока-пока-пока! Bye!